A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about chapter number 12, but today we will discuss about chapter number 13, tribes in India. Tribes in India. Chapter number 13, tribes in India. First of all students, what is tribes? What is tribes? Okay, a group of people, you can write here, a group of people, that have the same language, people that have the same language, okay, same language and customs, and that have a leader, and customs and that have a same leader, and that have a same leader, that is called tribes. It is called tribes. Okay students, a group of people that have the same language and customs and that have a leader, that is called tribes. Okay students, today we will discuss about different tribes. Identify and name the following tribes of India using the description given. Okay, according to description we will write different types of tribes name which is found in different states. First is Om. It is found in Andaman Nicobar Island. Second is Jarwa. It is also found in Andaman Nicobar Islands. And now next is Khond. Okay, it is found in Odisha. Now next is Baga. Is found in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Okay students, now Santhal is found in Jharkhand. Okay, now Gond is found in Chhattisgarh, state of Chhattisgarh. Now Missing is found in Assam, and Kundi. Okay, Kundi is Kunbi, not Kundi, Kunbi is found in Goa. Now Gaddi. Okay, Gaddi is found in Himachal Pradesh. Now Dhangar. Dhangar is found in Maharashtra. Banjara is found in Rajasthan, and Godba. Is found in Odisha. Okay students, these are all the tribes of India which is found in different states. Okay, which is found in different states. According to description, we will write all the tribes name in a particular space. So let's see your book, students. So let's see your book now. Yes, students, let's see your book. Identify and name the following tribes in India using the description given. This tribe is semi-nomadic and fully dependent on hunting. This tribe is fully dependent on hunting. You know that. This is found in Andaman Nicobar Islands. And gathering of food. The number of people of these tribes was substantially reduced. So it is called Ong. O-N-Z. You will write here, students, O-N-G-E. Okay, O-N-G-E. You will write here O-N-Z-E, Ong. Okay. Now second is the people of these tribes have not entered into interaction with outsider. Okay, no interaction with outsider. Their names means people of the earth. Their names means people of the earth are hostile peoples. Okay, students, you will write here Jarwa. Okay, you will write here Jarwa. Jarwa. Okay, you will write here Jarwa now. Okay, students. Now next is these tribes come to the limelight during the British Raj for its rebellion against the British intrusion into its territories of timber in 1836. It is found in Odisha. Its name is Khond. You will write here Khond, H-O-N-D. Okay, H-O-N-D, K-H-O-N-D, Khond. Okay. Now next is this tribe has been victim of forced eviction at the hands of the Indian authorities in the name of conservation in an attempt to protect the tiger population. It is found in Madhya Pradesh. Its name is Baiga. You will write here Baiga. Okay, you will write here Baiga now. Now next is the religion of the tribes of this tribe. The religions of these tribes is one of the most studied religions in India. They worship Marang Bureau or Bonga. Marang Bureau or Bonga as the supreme deity. It is found in it is found in Jharkhand. Its name is Santhal. AL. Okay, you will write here Santhal now. Okay, students. Now next is the people of these tribes appear in the Jungle books. The Jungle book by Rudyard Kipling. Gondi Hunter is one of the victim of the King Angus. Okay, King Angus. It is found in Chhattisgarh. Its name is Gond. G-O-N-D. You will write here Gond. Now next is the people of these tribes believe a botany to be their ancestor who is supposed to be a son of mother sun and father moon. Okay, the people of these tribes believe a botany to be their ancestor. Okay, ancestor who is supposed to be a son of mother sun and father sun. Agriculture is the livelihood of this tribe. It is found in Assam. Its name is Mishing. M-I-S-H-N-G. Okay, Mishing. Now next is this tribe produce the prominent Varkari saint of Bhakti tradition, Sant Tukaram and the Mawalas. Okay, Mawalas. Its name it is found in Goa. Its name is Kunbi. K-U. You will write here Kunbi. Okay, Kunbi. K-U-N-B-I. Kunbi. Okay, students. Now next is the people of these tribes have a mix of cultures. Some of them accepted accepted Islam in fears of Aurangzeb's. Other remain Hindus. Okay, it is found in Himachal Pradesh. Its name is Gaddi. A-double-D-I. Gaddi. Okay, or Gaddi. Now next is this tribe is socially, educationally, economically and politically backward. Okay, this tribe is socially, educationally, economically and politically backward. They live a socially isolated life due to their occupation. It is found in Maharashtra. Its name is Dhangar. D-H-A-N-G-A-R. Dhangar. You will write here Dhangar now. Now next is the people of these tribes speak Gorboli. Okay, Gorboli, also called Lambadi, which belong to the Indo-Aryan groups of languages. Okay, its name is Banjara. B-A-N-J-A-R-A. Okay, this is called Banjara now last one is they are involved in the slash and burn and plow cultivation. They live in permanent village. It is found in Odisha. Its name is Gadba. G-A-D-A-B-A. You will write here Gadba. Okay, G-A-D-A and B-A. So students, these are all about tribes. In next video we will discuss about next chapter or next topic. So thank you, very thank you.